Scotch Parivar has been guided by the founder and chairman of Scotch Group, Mr. Samir Kochar, the warmth about which you just heard the leadership speak about. And with this, we start the announcement for the Scotch Order of Merit for the 76th Scotch Summit. And I have the pleasure of inviting Mr. Vijaya Ratnam, Chief Mechanical Engineer Maintenance for Rooftop Solar Plants, Andhra Pradesh State Road Transport. Ms. Nandini Ghosh, Joint Secretary, Department of Urban Development and Municipal Affairs, Government of West Bengal for Karola River.
Good morning, sir. Namaskar, Nandini here, sir.
Good morning.
Thank you, sir, for selecting this particular project for Order of Merit, sir. We are indeed grateful because liquid waste management is something which is now of primary importance, because we are all up here to ensure the quality of health and life of our citizens, sir. Thank you so much.
What exactly is this Karola River project all about?
Sir, this is a project where we are treating the 46 drains which are draining into the Karola River. We are treating the drain so that the sewer water is not falling into the Karola River and is not polluting it, sir. This is an integrated project and we have completed it, and we have selected Karola as one of the model river of the state, and we are the first state of India to achieve a pollution-free river stretch, Karola River, in the country, sir. And that has been acknowledged by National Mission for Clean Ganga and Honorable National Green Tribunal, sir.
And how many MLD of water is being discharged into the river?
Sir, 26 MLD, sir.
Okay, that's wonderful. Great, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Dr. Indramani Tripathi, Director, Directorate of Urban Transport, Government of Uttar Pradesh, operation of electric city bus in Lucknow.
Good morning, everyone. I am Shuchi Kalra, receiving this award on behalf of Dr. Indramani Tripathi and the Urban Directorate and Lucknow City Transport team. Thank you, Scotch Group, for recognizing our project electric bus operations in Lucknow City. Thank you so much.
So how many buses have you already put on the street?
We have 40 electric buses already being operated since 2019. And at present, we have started project extension of the first phase. And in that phase, we are going to operate 100 buses. And at present, we have started operations of 36 electric buses in phase 2. And by the end of this month, we'll be operating 100 more buses, together 140 buses in Lucknow City. Excellent. And across the state, we'll be operating around 700 buses by January.
That's wonderful. Congratulations on your feat.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Mr. Haider Ali Khoja, Collector of Electricity Duty, Chief Electrical Inspector and Collector of Electricity Duty, CICED Application Portal. Mr. Ankit Goyal, Superintendent of Police, from Gadchiroli Police, Maharashtra for Police, Dadalora Khidki Mawa Haka Tha Khidki. How wonderful. Police Bhaiya ki Khidki, Mera Hak ki Khidki. How great. Do we have Mr. Goyal with us? Mr. Hasit Mehta, Vice President IT, Gujarat State Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited for transformation through incremental improvements using IT.
Good morning and thank you very much for selection as a semi-finalist for this award. This is the second time we are getting nominated for Scotch Award. First time it was in 2016 when we were given the award for SAP implementation at GSFC. This time we have coupled SAP and other than SAP, non-SAP applications for reducing man hours for performing the processes, as well as we have saved around 3 lakhs of paper in last 5 years. So, and man hours worth 70 crores have been saved by our improvements. I think presentation has already been shared earlier.
Yes.
So thank you very much for this continued motivation given to us by Scotch.
How wonderful. My congratulations to you and the entire team. And you said last you were there in 16. So in between you did not participate or you did not make it?
We did not participate because we have to have some substantial content to be shown before we deserve the award.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Fantastic and congratulations.
Thank you.
I move on to invite Gujarat Urban Development Mission, Mr. Rajkumar Beniwal, Additional Chief Executive Officer for E-Nagar Panchayat, E-Nagar Gujarat, enabling citizen-centric services in urban local bodies across the state.
Yeah, hi. Thank you very much for giving us this award. It's our pleasure to be part of the Scotch Award Group ceremony. Yeah, so as part of the urban initiative, urban reforms initiative, we have created E-Nagar Gujarat, a unified platform for all the citizens to be able to give them the better services of all the local authorities. That includes the municipalities and the urban development authorities. So we have included around 10 modules to cover where citizens can get benefit from their home or from their mobile devices, as well as from the web portal. They can utilize all the services related to all urban authorities.
Congratulations. Special Chief Secretary, Mr. Arvind Kumar, Hyderabad Metropolitan Development Authority, Telangana State Building Permission Approval and Self-Certification System. Mr. Shiva Yogi Kalasar, Managing Director, Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation for Serige Suraksha. Mr. Shashank Subhash Rao Javalikar, Chief Engineer, Maharashtra State Electricity Transmission Company Limited.
Good morning and thanks Scotch. On behalf of MSCPCL, I thank Scotch for this selection. Thank you.
Congratulations. Motor Vehicle Department, Government of Maharashtra for dealer point registration of vehicles. Dr. Avinash Dhakne, Transport Commissioner.
So this is Deputy Transport Commissioner speaking on behalf of Transport Commissioner Mr. Avinash Dhakne. We have been able to do dealer point registration, that is faceless registration, where it has become hassle-free in the state of Maharashtra. Also, going a step ahead, we have done it for Bharat series as well on the similar ways. The tax calculation and road safety cess calculation. In fact, I must congratulate Scotch, because being a recipient of this award earlier, the department was under a little bit pressure to do more work this year.
That's the real spirit, because you already, when you receive an award or a recognition, you set a benchmark for yourself and you only have to move further up. You can't look back, and that's the reason as to why it comes as a huge amount of encouragement. Well, congratulations to you and the entire team.
Thank you, sir.
The next one also goes to the Motor Vehicle Department online learner license test.
Online learners test, we have been able to do it faceless. Till date, we have been completed more than 4.5 lakhs faceless LLRs. Now we are in the process of implementing artificial intelligence so that it becomes foolproof, as well as we are going for proctoring of image and subsequently voice proctoring. So that will make it at par with all international tests. We going by percentage wise, we have been able to reach a mark of 48% of the total learner's license being issued in faceless form.
Excellent. Great work. And yet another one to Motor Vehicle Department, COVID relief, DBT to auto rickshaw drivers.
So this is a very unique thing which was initiated by Government of Maharashtra, considering the pathetic conditions of this unorganized sector during pandemic period. And Motor Vehicles Department, along with the private sector bank, that is ICICI, my transport commissioner, meaning they literally slogged up to burn their lamps and did everything. And we were able to disburse 2,37,000 numbers of auto drivers with the assistance of 1,500 rupees each, which amounts to more than 38 crore rupees till date. It has been disbursed.
Fantastic. I think it's a phenomenal work, because a lot of out of the box thinking that has gone into a DBT for auto rickshaw drivers, particularly during the time when the livelihoods were so badly impacted. Excellent work.
Sir, last year we were above 90. Now this year we'll have to go above 95%.
I'm sure you will touch 100 too.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. S.R.V. Srinivas, Metropolitan Commissioner, Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority, dedicated COVID health center and dedicated COVID hospital called Jumbo COVID Hospital.
Good morning, sir. I am Rahul Kardile, JMC MMRDA. I am speaking on behalf of Srinivas, sir. And thank you very much for shortlisting India's first Greenfield Mega Healthcare Facility. Thank you.
Now, in fact, I had the benefit of visiting this Jumbo facility, and I must say that the land which was the way it was used and lying vacant for so many years, and such a creative use of low-lying land which generally used to be filled with water all the time. You worked on that and created this facility which still stands there. And
yes,
I'm sure the kind of equipment which is what has been installed with all the stakeholders coming together. God forbid if there is another wave, but should there be one, I'm sure you're pretty much prepared.
Yes, we are prepared. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Mr. Yogesh Kaduskar, Navi Mumbai Municipal Transport, Integrated Transport Management System.
Good morning. Thank you, sir.
Good morning.
Thank you, Scotch, for selecting us for the competing on the STEAM platform. And ITMS is the best system we have implemented, Integrated Traffic Management System. Due to this, we got chance to track all our vehicles, all our buses on real time, which gives us benefit for the optimization of the route, which benefited us from the lesser accident, real-time tracking of each and every buses. So that's why we could operate the buses on efficient mode and in better way. Though we are a smaller STU, but we are the one of the most efficient STU because of our ITMS. Thank you.
Congratulations. Odisha Khadi and Village Industries Board, Mr. Trijogi Narayan Das, Deputy Secretary for recommendation for registration of new Khadi institution. Mr. Jasmine Gandhi, Chief Engineer, Paschim Gujarat Witch Company Limited for AMR for high tension consumer. Mr. Arvind Malappa Bangari, Managing Director, Paschim Manchal Vidyut Vitran Nigam Limited, a journey to e-governance.
Good morning, everybody. First of all, I would like to thank the entire Scotch Group for selecting us to the semi-finals of the Scotch Award. First of all, I would like to brief some facts regarding our journey towards e-governance involving CSCs, which are common service centers under the National E-Governance Plan. For a distribution company, the major two tasks assigned are supplying the electricity as well as collection of the revenue. And collection of the revenue is a very challenging task, especially in rural areas. To meet this demand of and to increase our hands with respect to for collection of the revenue. So we involved so many stakeholders, and one of the stakeholders was the common service centers, which are established under a national e-governance plan, which provide a basket of digital services at the rural level. So along with PDS, public distribution system, and SSGs. So I would like to highlight that it was a humble journey which we began from the financial year 2017-18 with just a number of 542 CSCs, which are also called as village level entrepreneurs. Now from a humble journey of 542, it's now the number is around 16,730 CSCs are involved in collection of the revenue. So in terms of the revenue collected, it was just a humble collection of 4,96,000 to 1,039 crores. So I would like to highlight that from a humble collection of 4 lakhs, we have now reached to from 2017-18, we have now collecting around 1,039 crores through CSCs, common service centers, and at the same time we are providing a commission of around 20 rupees for a bill if the bill is up to 2,000, and if the bill crosses 2,000, we give them a 1% commission charges. And till now we have given around 42 crores of commission to all the VLEs, and last year we have given 13.86 crores as a commission to the VLEs against the 1,031 crores of bill collection done through CSC. It's a win-win situation for both the distribution company like Paschim Manchal Vidyut Vitran Nigam Limited, also called as Western Power Supply Company, which is headquartered at Meerut, which caters to 14 districts of the Western UP, including Noida and major cities of the Western UP. So I would like to congratulate and thank Scotch Group for providing us the platform to showcase our e-governance journey, which is a win-win situation for both the CSCs as well as the our DISCOM. Thank you once again.
Congratulations. Excellent journey. A wonderful explanation that you have given to us. Ms. Usha Ben B. Rada, Superintendent of Police from Government of Gujarat, Anti-Suicide Helpline.
Thank you, sir. Good morning. Sir, एंटी-सुसाइड हेल्पलाइन के जरिए हमने मोर देन 15 लोगों का लाइफ बचाया है, और हमारी जो ये एंटी सुसाइड हेल्पलाइन है, इनमें 2 साइकोलॉजिस्ट इंक्लूड है, एक मोटिवेटर इंक्लूड है, और साथ में डीवाईएसपीज एंड पीआई, इनकी पूरी टीम अभी पूरा अच्छा एक्टिव काम कर रही है, और हमें खुशी है कि हमने ह्यूमन लाइफ बचाई। थैंक यू सर।
बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आपको।
थैंक यू।
मिस्टर संदीप अतोले, सुपरिटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस, Police Training Center, Nanvij Down. Improvement in performance by improving quality of training.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Thanks for selecting me for Scotch Award. I am representing Police Training Center, Nanvij, Maharashtra. I am receiving it on behalf of Mr. Sandeep Atole. He's transferred these days 2 months back to other establishment. My present boss, Mr. Kendi, is sitting beside to me. Shall I tell few things about my project, sir?
Please go ahead.
Sir, ours is the training institute which is meant for providing basic or foundation course for the constables of Maharashtra Police, various units of Maharashtra Police actually. It is one of the 10 training centers. But ours is the most remotest located training center in Maharashtra. So we were little neglected. Whatever good things we were doing here, nobody was knowing actually, sir. Even though we were trying our best despite of all odds. And definitely Scotch Award is going to be a little recognition for our good work, what we are doing here in PTC Nanvich, sir. I would like to tell few things about the project. Actually, we initiated this project. Everybody in the world is saying this coronavirus pandemic is bad for the world, bad for the universe, bad for the planet. Sir, I am very proud to say it was good for us. Whatever lean period we got, we tried to improve our infrastructure. We tried to develop training facilities. We tried to improve our quality of the training. And this is the success story, sir. Actually, I can talk hours and hours about this project, but I would like to tell few things, just replicability of my project. What others can take from this, from my success story.
Correct.
Number one, sir, all initiatives taken by us were complementary to each other. For example, we did one huge tank, which is benefiting for our plantation. Absence of one would have neutralized the utility value of the second. Projects were complementary to each other. Initiatives were eco-friendly to each other. Everything required hardly any additional financial support. So any institute or any organization who don't have money or financial assistance or budget for that, and even if they want to do good things, my project is best for that, sir. And definitely only because of this Scotch India, where we will be able to get some sort of recognition. My colleagues and other faculty members definitely get motivated from this recognition by Scotch. Thank you very much, sir.
बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आपको. You have actually used the adversity to your advantage and taken it as an opportunity to scale up. And I'm sure, as you rightly said, this place called Nanvich Down is back and beyond of nowhere. Even we hadn't heard of it till such time we got to, see the nomination from your side. And,
even not many from my organization itself, even from my higher ups, my bosses too don't know where the Nanvich is located actually.
Yeah, so it's definitely scalable, as you rightly said, that there could be learnings for others, and that precisely what the entire exercise of Scotch governance, assessment, and awards that we do is not just the recognition for you; it is also the cross-pollination of ideas, which is what we always talk about, and there are a lot of learnings, a lot of mutual learning and sharing experiences, and we have been, with the blessings of all of you together, being able to create a platform wherein everyone participates with equal ease, and we are happy to see such successes being getting documented. In terms of improvement in governance at large. So congratulations to you and the entire.
Thank you, sir. Your recognition is going to be a launching pad for me to become a training institute of excellence.
Sure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Mr. Nitin Ramesh Gokran, Principal Secretary, Public Works Department, Government of Uttar Pradesh. Skill development for e-governance for transparent and efficient delivery.
Good morning, sir. I'm Rajiv Kumar Rai.
Good morning.
I'm Rajiv Kumar Rai, on behalf of the Principal Secretary, Mr. Nitin Ramesh Gokran. Is in meeting. So, first of all, thanks selection for semi-finalist Scotch Order of Merit. And my project is that कि जैसे यूपी में टेंडर प्रोसेस 2007 से ही टेंडरिंग किया गया और 2007 से टेंडरिंग करने के बाद से कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हमेशा बना रहा टेंडर को लेके, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स डिपार्टमेंट एंड अदर फील्ड। अब नाउ ये हमारी जो प्रोसेस है ई टेंडरिंग में, इसको हम लोगों ने सबको एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे ला दिया जो चाणक्य, प्रहरी, विश्वकर्मा का नाम दिया गया। इसके तहत अब टेंडर प्रोसेस पूरी पारदर्शी और काफी क्लियर हो चुका है। इसमें किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। घर में बैठे लोग अपनी टेंडरिंग में भाग भी लेते हैं और उसकी पूरी प्रोसेस को पारदर्शी पूर्वक सभी एक दूसरे कॉन्ट्रैक्टर का बिडिंग देखते भी हैं और टेंडर्स की जो उनकी समस्याएं रहती थी वो भी समस्याएं समाप्त हो गई हैं। ये एक अच्छा शुरुआत हम लोगों ने यूपी पीडब्ल्यूडी ने किया है और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि इससे और भी चीजों को हम लोग ठीक कर लेंगे। थैंक यू।
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
I now invite Mr. Rupesh Chawla, Rajasthan Electronics and Instruments Limited Deputy General Manager, Development of Oxygen Concentrator.
Good morning and thank you, Scotch Group. I am on behalf of our Managing Director, Rupesh Chawla. We are very thankful to the Scotch Group. We have during this pandemic, we have developed the oxygen concentrator. It is consecutive second year we are receiving this Order of Merit award. Last year we received for our various initiatives taken during this pandemic, and now we develop this oxygen concentrator. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Mr. Ravi Soni, Executive Director, Engineering, Rajasthan State Road Transport Corporation, Apni Bus Care Day. We have Mr. Soni. Yes.
Good morning, India. Good morning, all of you. I am really very happy. और हम लोगों ने अपनी बस केयर डे मनाया, जो रियली अपने आप में एक अलग अनुभव था, जिसके लिए एक ही एक्सेस पे 3 लोगों को, तीनों सेक्शंस को बेनिफिट हुआ। हमें सबसे पहले जनता को बेनिफिट दिया, क्योंकि जब लोग हमारी बसों में बैठते हैं तो वो चाहते हैं उन्हें साफ सुथरी और एकदम नई बसें दिखे। हमारी जो 8-8 साल पुरानी बसें हैं उनको भी हमने नई बसें जैसा बनाया, उनकी शक्ल सूरत एकदम चेंज की हमने, ताकि पैसेंजर जब बैठे तो उन्हें ऐसा फील हो जैसे वो अपनी कार में बैठे हों। दूसरा बेनिफिट हमारे ड्राइवर और कंडक्टर यानी स्टाफ को हुआ। जब वो सुबह सुबह इन बसों में बैठते हैं तो उन्हें एक अलग ही फीलिंग आती है कि हम नई बसों में बैठे हैं। एक खटारा बस की बजाय जब एक ड्राइवर कंडक्टर नई बस में बैठता है तो उसे एक अच्छा फील होता है, तो उसका पूरा दिन बहुत अच्छे से गुजरता है, एक्सीडेंट कम होते हैं और कहीं ना कहीं रोडवेज को भी बेनिफिट हुआ, क्योंकि जब उसका स्टाफ खुश होगा, उसकी पैसेंजर खुश होंगे तो नो डाउट वो ऐसे डिपार्टमेंट को लाभ ही होगा। तो हमने 1100 से ज़्यादा गाड़ियां जो हमारी पुरानी थी उनको ABCD योजना के अंतर्गत लिया और शक्ल सूरत हमने पूरी तरह से इन बसों की चेंज की। और थैंक यू सो मच स्कोच, जो हमें रिकॉग्नाइज किया और एक छोटे से प्रोजेक्ट को भी इस लेवल पर लाकर हमें गौरवान्वित किया। थैंक यू सो मच स्कोच।
आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। Mr. Balwan Singh Golan, Project Director, Renewable Energy Department, Government of Haryana, for Grid Connected Hybrid Solar Power Plant Program for Gaushalas in Haryana.
Sir, first of all, I would like to thank you, Scotch team, on behalf of our Director, Dr. Hanif Qureshi, Director General, Renewable Department. We have initiated project for Gaushalas in Haryana. We have installed 330 number of rooftop solar power plants in Gaushalas, which is run by NGOs. They have faced problems of electricity in villages, and we have give the solutions in rooftop solar power plant to the Gaushalas. This is a social cause for Gaushalas. These Gaushalas are being run by NGOs, and they have a shortage of money. So we have did this project for especially in Haryana for Gaushalas. Thank you. I would like to again thank to Scotch team to consider us for this award. Thank you.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
South Bengal State Road Transport Corporation, Mr. Godala Kiran Kumar, Managing Director, South Bengal State Transport Corporation Vision 2025.
Yeah, a very good morning, and thank you so much for considering us for this Scotch Order of Merit. And South Bengal State Transport Corporation, earlier also we got 2 Scotch Gold from you in the last year, and that really boosted the morale of the corporation a lot. And thank you once again for recognizing us and giving us this Scotch Order of Merit. Thank you.
Congratulations. What I understand is that SBSTC is emerging as one of the most progressive state transport corporations. The story of STCs across the country is that nobody the kind of automation, although there is a whole lot of work which is going on, but the money is not coming by. Still, most of them happen to be loss making, and you still have a social responsibility to meet. But yet within that, SBSTC has created a Vision 2025 and well on its way to achieve it, and well within its targets. So my congratulations to you, and wish the project all the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Mr. Amarbeer Sidhu, Commissioner, State Transport Commissioner, Government of Punjab, for rolling weekly e-auction of reserved registration numbers for vehicles. Mr. Bichana Bhukia, Chief General Manager from Telangana State Power Generation Corporation Limited, implementation of biometric attendance monitoring system in PS Genco. Mr. T. Jagat Reddy, Director, Transmission Corporation of Telangana. Strengthening of transmission network and achievements after formation of Telangana state. Mr. M.R.M. Rao, Transport Commissioner, Transport Department, Government of Telangana.
Good morning, and thank you, Scotch, for shortlisting us. This is a service which is being extended to citizens of Telangana in a manner which was not done earlier. We are using selfie certification, leveraging artificial intelligence, deep learning, and machine-based learning. With this help, the citizens need not come to RTA offices, the so-called transport offices. They need not stand in queue. They are freed from time and space restrictions earlier which were there. From the comforts of a home or office, anytime they can apply and avail of these 17 services which we are being provided. We the thinking of extending these to few more services in future. And thank you for shortlisting us. This will definitely boost our morale to increase the services to the citizens of Telangana. Thank you.
Well, congratulations, Mr. Rao. This is in fact quite encouraging. And what it makes me think that we have studied a whole lot of transport departments and corporations across the country, and we would love to. I would be visiting the state sometime next week, and would love to come and spend a little time with you and get a delegation of Scotch experts, domain experts, and interact with your team and find out what more innovations that you have been doing.
Thank you. Most welcome to our state and the department. Already some of the states are replicating our program that has been done, and we are happy that we could listen to some of the states which are already doing it. Some of the states are in touch with us. Thank you once again.
Thank you very much. Yes, you are.
Thank you, Scotch, for shortlisting us. This is a project ERP implementation in Power Corporation, Uttar Pradesh. We are the largest consumer-based corporation. We have 5 discoms comprising of 75 lakh urban consumers and around 2.252 crore rural consumers. This project we have implemented 5 different modules: HR module, financial module, project systems, material management. Basic challenges that we were facing: we are having around 31,000 employees. Their payment system has been a challenge. Delivering their salaries in time, their leaves, and HR issues that we have implemented through ERP. The pandemic was also become a challenge actually for implementing this. We have passed that phase. We are making 100% payments of vendors through ERP system, resulting in total transparency of paying to vendors. That has resulted into works of consumers, deposit works of consumer projects, very quick and fast. Thanks again for considering us, sir. That is all.
Congratulations. Wonderful
Thank you,
work.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Do we have Mr. Saurabh Jain, Secretary, Urban Development from Urban Development Department, Government of Kerala, with us for Swachh Bharat Mission?
Yeah. So thank you, Scotch Group, for shortlisting this for the Scotch Order of Merit Award. So this is basically, as all of you know, it's a very ambitious project for bringing about a transformation in the urban sanitation landscape. So when this project was started, only 17% was solid waste was processed in the country, and I'm so glad to see that now after 7 years of implementation, more than 90% of waste is getting treated. More than 95% wards are having door-to-door collection and segregation at the source. Moreover, earlier when the project was started, around 8 million households in the urban areas doesn't have the individual household toilets. But now more and more than 4,000 cities are now open defecation-free cities. And now the project is moving toward ODF Plus and ODF Plus Plus. So I think this has really transformed the urban sanitation landscape, and I am very thankful for being a part of this project. So thank you, Scotch Group, once again for conferring this award.
Well, congratulations, Mr. Jain, and we will have the opportunity to discuss in little detail over the next session that you will be joining us. So congratulations once again. Mr. Shrikant Goswami, Managing Director, Uttar Pradesh State Warehousing Corporation, Food Safety Standards and Practices. Mr. Sandeep Singhal, Managing Director, Uttarakhand Jal Vidyut Nigam Limited, Hydropower Generation.
Good morning, Dr. Gursharan and Scotch. We are from UJVN Limited, Uttarakhand, Government of Uttarakhand undertaking. I am Digvijay Singh, representing here on behalf of our MD, Engineer Sandeep Singhal. We are basically involved in hydropower generation, which is a clean and very cheap form of power generation. Our project was about renovation, modernization, and upgradation of our very old power stations, which are around 40 to 60 years old, and rehabilitation of
the Scotch Group of companies and recognizing Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation for awarding this as a Scotch Order of Merit. Let me just give a brief introduction of KSRTC. We are one of the largest state undertaking in terms of providing public transport services in Karnataka. And of course, Scotch as an organization, we are quite close to them. I think we have already won something like 25 awards as such, and we go a long way back in getting this particular award. And to quote the present initiative, especially the ICU on wheels, everyone has undergone a trauma in the present context of COVID-1 and 2. And Karnataka was no exception to that. We thought that we could do a difference in the lives of the patients, mostly in the interiors of Karnataka. We had the experience of one of the districts of Chamarajanagar, where people died because of lack of oxygen and inaccessibility to reach the hospitals well in time. So we thought, along with our team of engineers and our crew members, we developed an in-house bus into an ICU with the help of technical experts. And we had 5 bedded ICU with all oxygen fitted equipment. We had every bed fitted with the BP, ECG and IV facility, and also the ventilator facility. The generator was also fitted in, and the entire expenditure was made available within a range of about just 10 lakh rupees. To quote an example, how we have reached the people, today we have reached almost 4,500 interior people in almost 58 villages in the coastal belt and the forest areas. We are trying to replicate this in other parts of the state. We have almost 19 such buses which were providing oxygen whenever there was a demand. We are happy to say that we could save some lives in the face of COVID-2. As a progression to this, for COVID-3, we are already getting ourselves prepared. From KSRTC, we have already inaugurated a 50-bedded in-house hospital with the assistance of some of the private entrepreneurs by getting some funding from these people. So I take this as an opportunity to thank and congratulate the Scotch in recognizing the services of public sector undertakings. I only hope that other people can also make use of this particular facility. I dedicate this so-called recognition to all the health workers, as well as my own colleagues and drivers, crew members, etc. Thank you once again, and congratulations to you too.
Well, such a wonderful work, and as much said about saving lives during the pandemic times, and the wave 2 and now being prepared for wave 3. God's blessings be added to such kind of work, and hopefully there would be no third wave. But should there be one, now we are both in terms of mental, physical preparedness, and infrastructure preparedness is also there, and we're ready to fight it out, and we shall indeed. Well, congratulations once again. So this was the last order of merit for the first round in the morning.